I just walked off a Viper like less than 30 seconds ago. And they're stuck up there on the roof here. Yes, those humans up there. There's humans on that, guys. I swear I just go off the one before that one. Good luck, that's all I got to say from down here. You're going on my YouTube channel. Well, at least they're in someplace flat up there. They're not on a hill or on an angle. Well, I wonder if they'll be up there long enough to get stuff on side convenience passes. Who knows? Just think, that could have been me, because I just got off of Viper less than a minute ago. As it's, make it 3:10 on Sunday, May 9th of 21. Oh, someone's coming up there. Alright, well this is the first ride I've seen in person live that's gotten stuck. I've seen a few other channels post stuck rides around Great America this year, but I didn't see that live. I got to see this live. I can sort of see, no way I can't, because the sun's shining directly in my eyes.
Once again, at this time, the Viper is experiencing a temporary delay in operation. We do not know how long this delay will be. We hope to be back soon.
Can't just push the overfall and make it go down the hill. I guess not. Alright, well. All I gotta say is I'm just good luck. I hope you're not out there very long. At least you're in a nice warm sun to stay warm. You're on a flat surface, not on an angle on a hill. I don't know anyone up there. I don't know the number of people up there. Alright, well. I wish these guys good luck. I hope they're not there much longer. So I'm turning off the camera now. So wave, guys. And I'm stopping the video now.